Okay, in this video, my cat is gonna do the voice. Hey guys, I'm gonna just meow at my servant because I just want these fish, okay? Those fish. And my servant doesn't let me climb up there because she thinks I'll break every single one. And yeah, so I'm gonna just, get me out of here. Get out. I'm gonna just close the door. I'm gonna close the door. Get out of here. Whatever. I'm gonna go and see if there's anything else to eat. I have this stupid camera in my face. I just love when my servant doesn't do anything to me and just leaves me alone. That's what I like about my servant, because she leaves me alone. Where'd she go? In here? Are you in there? Peekaboo. I just want to see the world out there. Oh my freaking God. It's so crunchy. Should I put her food? Go in the kitchen and open my therapist. Okay, I'm gonna do some. Yes, my needle. I'm gonna put you food, okay? I'm gonna put her some food, okay? There we go. Okay. That's all you food you get, okay? Okay. That's it. That's all your food. That's all your food. Let's go inside. Come on, birdie. This is the greatest thing I did to you. Okay? I give you some. Get in. Come on. Hey, get her. Wait. Where's she? Oh, she got in the kitchen again. No, in the kitchen.
My favorite thing to do is to gain it back.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Where are you? Where is she? Outside again? Come on. Hey, you outside? Come on. Let me get outside. Stupid sand. Stop getting away from me. Just put my water in. I just want to hang out here. Okay? Hey, get that hand away from me. Okay? I like to stay out here and just feel the love. Feel all the love. But when my servant says no, that I'm going to get a bath soon, she takes me inside for some reason. I don't know why, but she does. And I just don't like it. I don't want to be inside anymore. So I just want to spend my day outside. I try to get something that I can look around. My sibling kicks this ball, and I'm interested in it. So I go to it, and she kicks it again and again. I just don't like it, but I do like it that this video is going to be over soon. This corner is just... I'm going to just smell in here because it smells like fish. Get out of there. I'm going to just Just pick your bottom. Pick your bottom. I'm gonna pick your bottom. Hey! Stop kicking that ball. Let it be. Ugh, whatever. I know. Look at it. Go bye-bye, okay? So we're... Get it. Right there. Whatever. Bye.